In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store and open any PC files in Microsoft Access. We're going to use the built-in attachment field so you can keep documents, images, spreadsheets, and other files right inside your records and open them with a double click. This is great for keeping everything related to a customer, project, or case in one place. Start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database you want to work with. If you already have a table where these files should live, open that database so it's ready to go. If you're starting from scratch, that's fine too. You can create a new database and add a table you'll use for storing your information. Next, open your table in Design View. This is where you control the structure of your data. Add a new field that will hold your files. Give it a clear descriptive name so it's obvious to others what belongs there. In the data type column for that new field, choose Attachment. The attachment data type is designed to store one or more files directly with each record, so the files travel with your database and stay connected to the right row. Save your table design, then switch to Datasheet View. In this view, you'll see the new field appears with a small paperclip icon in each row. Double-click that paperclip to open the Attachments dialog. From here, click Add to browse to any file on your PC. You can attach common document types, PDFs, images, audio, videos, and more. Add as many files as you need for that record. If you ever add something by mistake, select it in the list and choose Remove. To quickly check a file, select it and click Open. Access will launch it in the default application for that file type. A few practical tips as you work. Attachments are stored inside the database, so the file sizes you add will increase the database size. Keep attachments relevant and try to compress large images or PDFs before attaching them to help performance. Clear, consistent file names will make it easier to identify the right file later. And remember, opening an attachment relies on the associated application being installed on your computer, so make sure you have the right software for those file types. Finally, be mindful that there is a maximum size for individual attachments and a total size limit for the database itself. As your collection grows, keep an eye on database size and consider regular maintenance like compacting and repairing to keep everything running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. You've set up an attachment field and you can now add, open, and manage files directly from your Access table.